Complementing to previous video, we need to recall one more trick of hiding information. If you haven't watched previous video, check out the link in the top right corner. However, this time, trick is going to be more complex and not that obvious for every user. I'm talking about super hidden worksheet. So we are having a workbook with 3 worksheets with a different level of security required and one control page to observe data that is available from these worksheets. To do that, I have created a links to the messages that is available on each worksheet in the book. So now let's go and start hiding. For not secret information, we are going to do nothing. End of the day, it's not a secret. For the secret one, we are going to use hide function. So now it's not available here. Checking out the control one, you still may use information from that worksheet. However, it is not that secured. If you will click unhide, you will be able to see that secret worksheet is available in the list. So now we need to return to the top secrets. Only super hidden function is required. To do that, we need to customize our ribbon, open Development tab, click OK, and now with the Developer tab we need to go to Visual Basic. To the left you are able to see list of all worksheets available. Let's select the top secret one. To the bottom of the list of all worksheets you are able to see the list of priorities that refers to this page. We are most interested in visible trigger. And now we need to select very hidden one. Automatically, I'm going to close this one. You're able to see that we have lost top secret on the radar. However, on the control page, data is still available. If we are going to select unhide information, we are going to find that only secret one at the current moment of time is available there. So where the information gone and why it's important for us to know this trick? I personally use this one when I have pre-settings of the workbook that I would like not to be corrupted or changed anyway, anytime. And on top of that, you may be facing the same situation when you are having the data that is not available to any of the visible worksheets, but you would like to get an access to them. So how to recover the top secret one? You need just to do the opposite sequence of actions. You need to go to Visual Basic, select the top secret worksheet, and in the visible criteria you need to select visible. Now the information is available here. If you found this trick interesting for you, like this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you. Cheers.